All right. So roughly there.
Yeah, so it's gonna have to be about a 8-inch wide body kit.
On each side. We made a Beetle 16 inches wider.
Well, here we go, let's get those wheels out on the road. It may get dusty, but that's the way she goes. We'll build some greasy old cars and drink our AGD. Hey, don't you know, it's partly built.
All right, welcome back. We got parts and things and whatnot. I got steering pieces and, well, this looks promising, Josh.
That looks like a future problem.
Wrong rim. That's a front tire. Oh. We have hub adapters.
We do.
So yes, hub adapters. We're excited about that. Just turbo things. We won't worry about that anytime soon. Random stuff like belts and flange nuts and brake line fittings and fuel fittings and oil filters and hopefully enough to keep us busy. Not that we needed more parts to stay busy, but...
Even the right's red.
Well done.
Look at that.
Well done. All right, boss. What's your opinion?
Well, at the very least, it's gonna look fast.
Those look very beefy and aggressive, and I like it. Oh, that gets me excited. Of course, we had to test the slicks first. Naturally.
Hide direction.
All right, so the street tires also look very good on there.
Wider than the race tires, actually.
They stick out wider than the race tires because there's a lot more dish to the rim and a lot less back spacing, but this is going to be a wide Beetle, Josh. Outer sidewall of the tire.
75 inches or so.
75-inch wide Beetle, that's fine. Still within the legal limits of the law.
It'll fit in the lane.
Yep. Ooh, it's going to be good, but you're going to have to really widen some fenders, bud.
Yep. You can use the old fenders off the Kenworth.
We were talking about that. Or at least to do inner fenders.
I'm not going to let you use my new ones, but the old ones. Quite a bit of grip.
We'll see if they're on there when if they're not on there, there's Beetles on them.
How about we get the fucking frame painted?
I feel like I was having better luck last week.
Maybe. So we made a patch panel. We're tacking it in enough that I can at least put holes through it so I can figure out where I'm running my brake lines and the electrical. All right, we got the second patch going in now too. And there's a little piece above the tunnel and corners and stuff, but it's getting there. I started doing the brake line on the other side. I got it ran just about to that firewall. And then I'll do another chunk up to the T on top. But we're getting there. I just gotta find where I put all the tools I brought and all the parts I brought. All right, so the brake lines are all connected in there. They're ran very ugly because it was me that did it, but they're in there. So technically, if we tighten the fittings and put fluid in it, they should be bleedable, but being as we're changing the master, I'm not too worried about that. So now what are we doing?
Oh, I'm sure there's something.
I think
it is pretty close to being ready, but
yeah. I think we put air in the stock Beetle tires. We put them on the front. We set it on the ground. We roll it back, look at it, and then call it a day.
clean up this fuck show.
Yeah. Why? I don't see a mess at all.
No.
Like, it looks pretty good to me, honestly.
You never get to rent a bay here.
Well, now we have tires. We just gotta, get some of the junk out of the way so we can at least take it off the hoist and put some weight on it. All right. Let's see how much the back end squats here. It looks so, like, maybe I'm just retarded, but I think it looks freaking killer from here. I can't wait till it's got fenders.
I don't think the looks of it have anything to do with your IQ.
No, okay. Like this thing, once we get those fenders 8 inches wider on each side, it's gonna be sick. It's gonna be the stink bug. Oh, back end sunk a little, but not much.
Carolina squat.
Not really.
A little bit. Considering the front tires are going to be bigger, yeah.
No, they'll actually be shorter. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, she's gonna be.
And it's gonna have a bit more weight in the front too.
Yeah. It's gonna be mean. So the front end is definitely a little bit high. But so is Kyle. But it actually looks pretty freaking angry.
It does. Oh, it looks like from the front.
That's a good question. We haven't got that visual yet. What does it look like from the front?
Dooley.
It is got a nasty width to that back end. They stick out quite a bit more. But the front rims will stick out about an inch wider too. So when the back sticks out 3 inches wider, it's just to keep you tracking straight. Sure, that's how that works.
Fenders on it, it'll look a little better.
Yeah.
God, that looks so stupid from the front.
Once you put the fenders on, it will look better. Well, gentlemen, are we calling that good? That's a day. Not that we did much, but it feels better. It looks really good. But we got those lower plates in, so I can actually start running electrical next time. I guess I better start gathering parts. But say bye-bye.
Bye.
You gotta flip the camera the other way so that when I use it for a video,
It's filming.
yeah, but I need it the other way. Landscape, there you go.